Welcome students to another part of the tutorial Anko tutorials. So today we'll be starting chapter number 3, pairs of linear equation in two variables. So first of all, let us recall what a linear equation is. So linear equation a linear equation that we studied, the general form is ax plus b is equals to 0. So how many variables are here? X is the variable, so it is of the form linear equation in one variable. Okay. Secondly, if we study linear equation in two variables, so it has one coefficient a and one constant b. So similarly, linear equation in two variables comprises two variables, ax plus b, y plus c is equals to 0. Here the variables are x and y. Okay student, got this much? Here the solution in linear equation in one variable can be equated directly. Ax is equal to minus b, x equals to minus b upon a. But in two variables, linear equation in two variables, we need to find the values of two values. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, c is the constant term. So we need to find the value of both x and y. So to find that, ax plus by is equal to minus c. Ax is equal to minus c plus minus by, x is equal to minus c plus minus by upon a. Now if I consider the value of y, I will get the value of x. So I will form a table x and y. If I consider y to be 1 or 0, if I consider y to be 0, what will be the value of x? Minus c minus 0 by a minus c by a, minus c upon a. If I consider y to be 1 plus 1, x is equal to minus c minus 1 by a, minus c minus 1 upon a. We get many solutions for x, where y is depending on x. X is independent term. It does not depend on any value, independent term, while y is dependent term, dependent on y. Let us see an example for linear equation. I have an equation x minus 2y. x minus 2y is equals to 0. So x equals to 2 directly in the form of linear form. But if I see for the value or function, it is of the linear form in one variable, therefore one solution. But if I see 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. I see 3x is equal to 20 minus 4y, okay, by x is equal to 20 minus 4y by 3. So x, y. I can find many solutions here. Let us see how. If I consider y to be 0, x is equal to 20 minus 4 zeros are 0 by 3, 20 by 3, y0 20 by 3. If I consider y to be 1, x is equals to 20 minus 4 into 1, 4 by 3, 16 upon 3, 16 upon 3. Here it is 20 upon 3. If I consider y to be 2, y to be 2, x equals to 20 minus 2 into 4 or 4 into 2 by 3, 20 minus 8 by 3 is equal to 12 upon 3 is equal to 4. y2 it is 4. So I just require two values. I just require two values of x and y to plot a graph. Plotting a graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. X up to 4 we have, y 1, 2, 3 and it is 0. First we have 0. 20 by 3 is equal to 6 point something. 6.33. 5, 6, 6.33. Here it will be 16 by 3 y1, 16 by 3 is upon 5 so 15, 1 0 3, 5.33. It will plot here. So we got two values. Next 2, y is equal to 2, x is equals to 4. I got here. So I got a straight line. If you see on a graph paper, you will see a straight line like this. This is the graphical solution of the equation 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. Hope guys you all have understood the basics of quadratic linear equation into variables introduction part. Now on the next part we will be solving the main topic, pairs of linear equation into variables. Thank you.